And go. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Eric here. I got a pretty cool video for you guys today. If you paid any attention to CES, you know some really cool things came out this year or are going to come out, from the coolest laptops to the chair with the widescreen, surrounding monitors. We're going to look like those freaking guys from WALL-E just floating around on our little chairs with their screens. But I'm not here to talk about those things. I'm here to talk about the future of wearing masks. Because I know we all love wearing masks so much. We do it for the good of the country, for the good of the world. But damn, we really don't want to have to. But Razer came out with a reason why we might want to going forward. I'm talking about Project Hazel. Let's just dive right into it, shall we? Now, upon first inspection, the mask actually looks pretty cool. Not gonna lie, the white looks really clean, really crisp. I'm digging that, and the black one with the green accent, very, very Razer-like. They're bright green. I actually love that color. It just really pops. You know it as soon as you see it. So I'm really digging the actual design about it. So they're off to a good start. World's smartest mask. Well, the bar was pretty low, but that's fine. Surgical N95 respirator. Good. Because you got people out there wearing, gaiters around their face, which basically don't stop anything. It's better than nothing. Definitely wear that if you're going to wear nothing instead. But it's not stopping anything. You're still getting so many bacteria out and in. N95 is the way to go, and I'm glad that they at least made their standards pretty high. Active ventilation, well, that's nice. You got to be able to breathe, right? You want fresh air in and out. You don't want that buildup, especially you got stinky breath. You want to ventilate all that stuff. That's good. An auto sterilization function. And that's pretty cool, actually. That it comes with the UV light, which kills bacteria. Listen, this is fancy, all right? This is literally the mask of the future, and I think people are going to wear this even when the pandemic's kind of gone and dead, hopefully at some point in our lives. But it's a nice design, and it doesn't hurt to not breathe in the crap in the air that's all around you all the time. Clear, transparent design. Oh, you can see her mouth talk. You can see, that's one of the things about masks right now. Lip reading is huge, and you just can't do it with these blue masks or these cloth masks or really any kind of dark mask. But then you don't want the goofy ones with the big face mask, because that just looks weird too. This is a pretty sleek design. I worry that if this gets a little dirty, it just kind of muddy it up. You wouldn't really be able to see. That is cool. More of the face. You want to be sociable, so. Low light mode. Smart mask interior lights up automatically when it's dark, allowing you to express yourself clearly regardless of the lighting conditions. Well, I don't know when I'm going to be talking to somebody in the dark, unless I'm laying in bed with my wife, and I'm not going to wear my mask in the bed like that. So, not entirely sure. Maybe nope, I don't know when I'd use that. Voice amp technology, this is cool. Built-in microphone amplifier combo. So you ever try to talk to somebody wearing a mask and they're like this and they can't understand a damn thing they're saying? This is taking care of that problem by actually having, it looks like a built-in microphone, and then these things look like speakers also to amplify your voice to make you loud. That's actually pretty cool. Now, can we get that where I can turn the volume down from the outside, so if I don't want to listen to somebody, I can just... Probably not. Sustainable technology, very important. Replaceable filters, rechargeable ventilators. That's awesome. The problem also with these masks, blue masks and N95s and stuff like that is I see them all over the ground, everywhere I go. Grocery store, the grocery store, that's really the only place I go to. They're just all over the ground. People just toss them like they're biodegradable. Well, they're not, and it's just a bigger trash problem. Now that everybody's got 20,000 of them, it's just creating a big trash problem. So to be able to replace the filters and the ventilators rechargeable is really eco-friendly and really green. So good job. Wireless charging case with UV sterilizer. I thought that was pretty interesting too. Is the actual case is a UV sterilizer, so it cleans the entire mask when you're not using it, when you're charging it, which is really nice. People with the cloth ones, I feel like don't wash it enough times, and it gets dirty and grimy, and it's probably very unhygienic to keep that on your face for too long. Durable design for daily use. Waterproof. It's good. What if it's raining? Scratch resistant. That's good. What if you get scratched? Recyclable plastic to greatly minimize wastage. I like it. I like the green aspect. I like the eco-friendly. That's really cool. Razer, I think, is really doing a good job with this this product. You know, with all the products are really good, but I really like the ingenuity of this one specifically. Comfortable. I mean, you're not gonna want to wear it if it's gonna make your face look like this. Optimized airflow and active ventilation brings in cool air, releases heat produced from exhaling, which also prevents a buildup of CO2 in the mask that can cause headaches and dizziness. Okay, but that's not really how that works. So there are some cases where if you have pre-existing lung conditions, a buildup of CO2 can occur. But actually, you know what? Let me look up what it is. There is some evidence, however, that prolonged use of an N95 mask in patients with pre-existing lung disease could cause some buildup of carbon dioxide levels in the body. Okay, so that's good. Unobtrusive airtight seal. Now, that's worrying because I feel like if the mask is isn't the right size, if it's a little too small, it's going to cause a lot of discomfort just being so tight. But it also could be made of a really nice rubber that just kind of molds to the skin really easily. It's hard to tell without having one in your hands, you know. So until we can actually start wearing these and figure it out, that's kind of up in the air. It is silicone, which is nice. Should be very comfortable. Hard to say until you actually put it on. And then of course the voice amp technology. Personal. It's not Razer if there's no RGB. Personalized mask. 16.8 million colors and a suite of iconic effects. Turn heads while you stay safe with two customizable lighting zones powered by Razer Chroma RGB. Well, of course, it's a Razer product, so you're gonna get some cool fancy RGB. Actually, that's pretty exciting. I feel like we're gonna see a lot of these at like raves and big, you know, EDC type concerts and stuff like that. Burning Man, Coachella, all kinds of stuff. You're definitely gonna see lots of these masks when they become more available or available with the RGB lighting and stuff like that. And really, I have to imagine it'd be quite simple to add some of your own on the outside. Just little LED strips. I don't know how hard it'd be. Pretty sure it's simple. But that's pretty cool. Just kind of give it a little personal touch, a little standout. And then you just have cool photos of people wearing them. But she looks pretty fierce. Look how fierce she looks. I'm pretty excited about them. But honestly, I think this is a really cool technology that they're coming out with. I think that they're taking what's going on in the world and making it, you know, interesting and making it kind of stand out and giving their personal, you know, their company's flair and touch to it, which is really cool for a lot of people who want stuff like that, who don't mind wearing the mask and kind of want to up their mask game and make it look cooler. You know, you got people bejeweling and bedazzling masks and stuff like that. So why not have an RGB mask? You know, why the hell not? Well, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out. Please make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button before you go. Let me know in the comments, are you going to get one of these masks when they come out? I think they come out pretty soon this year, and they're going to be about $150, which is kind of a high price, but reusable, rechargeable, UV cleaning, RGB. You know, you're not getting just a mask you're going to wear once and then throw away. I mean, this is going to be the mask you have for as long as you need it and for as long as you want to wear it. So an investment in your health and in the safety of those around you. I would pick one up for sure. Absolutely, I would. I mean, I think they look really cool. I think they look really sleek. I'm excited about it, and as soon as they're available, I'm probably going to grab one and we'll do a little test on and stuff like that. But let me know what you guys think if you're planning on getting one, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Yeah, but like I said, really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. We're going to see you in the next video. But hold on. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. See you next time.